Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a coffee roaster. Start by choosing a safe heat source and a rotating chamber for even roast. Measure green beans by weight and set small test batches of 250 g. Monitor temperature and smell for first crack and adjust airflow gradually. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and roast in a well-ventilated area. Cool beans quickly and store in an airtight container. Selecting the right drum, motor, and controls makes roasting repeatable and safe. Use a small metal drum and a motor tuned to 30 to 60 RPM for even tumbling. Fit a reliable temperature probe and logging method to capture roast curves. Design airflow to remove chaff and smoke while maintaining stable heat. Test with small batches before scaling up to larger quantities to refine your setup. Safety should never be an afterthought when building a roaster, so prioritize ventilation, grounding, and fire suppression. Inspect wiring, insulation, and fasteners often to avoid accidents and loose parts. If roasts are uneven, tweak drum speed, heat distribution, and bean load to balance results. Keep a roast log of times, temperatures, and sensory notes to improve consistency. Always cool beans quickly and store.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.